Why are people switching from DSLR to mirrorless cameras? This question is buzzing in the photography world, and today we're going to find out why. First, mirrorless cameras are smaller and lighter than DSLRs. This makes them easy to carry, especially for travel photography. Imagine carrying a camera that's light as a feather compared to a bulky DSLR. Mirrorless cameras also have faster autofocus systems. This is great for capturing action shots, like a dog running or a soccer game. You won't miss a moment with a mirrorless camera. Video lovers, listen up. Mirrorless cameras have better video capabilities than DSLRs. This makes them perfect for vloggers and videographers who need high-quality video. Next, let's talk about electronic viewfinders, or EVFs. Mirrorless cameras use EVFs, which give you a real-time preview of your image. You can see exactly what your photo will look like before you snap it. This is a big help, especially in low light. Mirrorless cameras use contrast detection autofocus, or CDAF. This system is faster and more accurate than the phase detection autofocus, or PDAF, used in DSLRs. Faster focus means better photos. The name mirrorless gives us another clue. These cameras don't have a mirror inside, which makes them more compact. No mirror means a smaller, lighter camera that's easier to handle. Now, let's talk about low-light performance. Mirrorless cameras are better in low light. They use advanced technology to take clear photos even when it's dark. Mirrorless cameras can also shoot faster. They have high-speed continuous shooting modes, capturing more frames per second. This is perfect for sports and wildlife photography. Lens design is another big plus. Mirrorless cameras have new lenses that are smaller and more versatile. These lenses are great for photographers on the go. Image stabilization is important too. Many mirrorless cameras have in-body image stabilization, which helps keep your photos sharp, even if your hands shake a little. Good news for beginners. Entry-level mirrorless cameras are now affordable. You don't have to spend a fortune to get started with a mirrorless camera. Video recording is another area where mirrorless cameras shine. Many models offer 4K video recording, giving you top-notch video quality. Camera companies are investing a lot in mirrorless technology. This means we'll see even better mirrorless cameras in the future. Electronic shutters in mirrorless cameras reduce noise and improve image sharpness. You get clearer, quieter photos with an electronic shutter. Professional photographers are also switching to mirrorless cameras. The trend is growing as these cameras become more advanced. The shorter flange distance in mirrorless cameras is another benefit. It allows for more compact lenses, which in turn makes your camera bag lighter. This can really make a difference when you're out and about, capturing those perfect shots. Innovation is a big part of mirrorless cameras. They come equipped with touchscreens and even voice-activated controls. These features not only make using the camera easier, but also add a bit of fun to the whole photography experience. But some photographers switch back to DSLRs. Why? They worry about battery life and durability. DSLRs are known for their long battery life and sturdy build. Hey, real quick, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Phototech Guy, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more useful guides like this to you. Now, let's get back to the video. The lens ecosystem for mirrorless cameras is growing fast. More lenses mean more choices for photographers. Mirrorless technology is evolving quickly. We can expect exciting new features and improvements in the coming years. With all these advantages, it's clear why photographers are making the switch from DSLR to mirrorless cameras. Smaller size, faster focus, better video, and so much more make mirrorless cameras a fantastic choice for anyone who loves photography. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and trends.